On June 22nd, Mayor Bowser reopened Washington, D.C. for Phase 2. As a result, Savills Washington, D.C. office has reopened, and we are excited to show you today how we are safely returning to the office. Follow me.
We've now arrived on our floor, and per Phase 2 reopening, you're only allowed 25% capacity on this floor. What we're doing to ensure we meet those requirements, we've locked off our door. You cannot access our space unless you sign in and register. We've implemented a simple technology that allows us to easily do this. How it works, you simply take out your smartphone, take a picture of the QR code. The QR code pulls up a smart sheet, and you simply attest on the smart sheet that you've taken your temperature and it falls within normal range and you have no signs of COVID. Here we wanted to briefly show you, in the event you forgot to take your temperature, we have a very simple station here. We have gloves that you put on, disinfectant that allows you to disinfect the thermometer, as well as additional face masks in case you forgot to take your temperature at home.
When you're in the office and you're ready to use the pantry, remember to bring your own mug, plate, and utensils. Wash your hands before you enter the room and when you leave the room. And remember, one person at a time. When you're here, we do have everything open for use except for the cabinets. Please use the disinfectant spray to wipe down the refrigerator, the coffee maker, the water dispenser, and the microwave. When you're in the workroom, remember, one person at a time. There's a hand sanitizing station and also disinfectant spray for disinfecting any high-touch surfaces. When you're in the office, you'll see the arrows designated one-way walking. When you get to your office, we have our clean desk policy. Office and workstation. To disinfect your desk, take your belongings home, and make sure you have hand sanitizer and disinfectant spray on your desk.
And it's business as usual.